have a foul, shoot the foul.
All inside, tenemos que hacer falta y no hacemos falta. Menos mal que la fallamos.
With the best shooter and nobody's going back. We said transition game. We have to match up Howard, man.
15 points in 5 minutes. 15 points in 5 minutes they scored.
Rebound, they win. Sprints, they win. 1-on-1, they win. Easy passes, we lose.
John se va para adentro, me pongo aquí y lo dejo pasar. Now, trailer, done. Hey. Please, more energy than them. Don't give them anything.
Bad ball, 1-on-1, rebound, 15 points in 5 minutes. Never in no long decision. Never, it's the first time. I don't want baskets in the paint. Okay. 3 points and runs here. Okay. But no easy baskets in the fucking paint. Talk with the referee because they are pushing you all the time. Talk to them.
Hey, listen guys. Hey, stronger against him. Go strong, take the ball, dunk him inside. You are much stronger, much better than him.